Hello, everyone. This is the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today we will knit this beautiful lace pattern together. I think it will be great for some summer sweaters. Now I will show you the chart I used to knit this sample. The width I have is the same as in the chart. 25 stitches plus 2 edge stitches, and I knitted 26 rows in height, which are shown on the chart. The next repeat starts from the 3rd row to the 26th. The pattern repeat consists of 12 stitches in width and 26 rows in height. So in height, we will knit from the 1st to the 26th row. Then we will continuously repeat in height from the 3rd to the 26th row. On the chart, you can see 2 halves of the pattern on the right and left. If you have a double yarn over at the edge of the piece, then instead you need to knit a regular decrease with a yarn over. If you understand the chart and can read it, then you don't need to listen to me anymore. Just knit according to the chart. If not, then keep watching. I will explain and show how to knit each row. I will take a thicker yarn, so it will be easier for us to see. All our even-numbered rows will be knitted with purl stitches. I will cast on 12 stitches, which is the width of the repeat, plus 2 stitches for our edge. We cast on 14 stitches on the needles, and I will knit classic stitches. If you want, you can knit using the grandmother method. We have finished casting on, take out one needle, turn the work, and start knitting the first row. I knit using classic stitches. Therefore, I remove the first edge stitch as if it were a knit stitch. Then we knit one knit stitch. I knit through the front loop, as I am using classic stitches. After that, we make a yarn over. The next 2 stitches need to be knitted together, which means we are decreasing. We will slip the first one. I slip it as if I were going to knit a knit stitch through the front loop. We slip it onto the right needle. The next stitch is knitted as a knit stitch. We place the slip stitch over the knitted knit stitch. We have decreased 1 stitch, but before that, we made a yarn over. Therefore, the number of stitches remains the same. After that, we knit 7 knit stitches through the front loop. Here, we will also decrease by 2 stitches. But this time, we will knit together through the front loop. Just as when knitting a knit stitch. If you are knitting with the purl method, then you will knit together through the back loop. We decreased 1 stitch, then we make a yarn over. The number of stitches is the same. And I always knit the last stitch as a purl stitch using the purl method. We move on to the 2nd row. The 2nd row is our even row. We will knit purl stitches, we slip the edge stitch. And then we begin to knit purl stitches. Since I am using the classic method, I will knit classic purl stitches. And we knit the yarn over, picking up the front loop of this stitch, so that a small hole is formed. I have a classic purl stitch. The rest are simply purl stitches. Here's our yarn over through the front loop. The last stitch, the edge stitch, for me, is a purl stitch using the purl method. This is how I will knit all the even purl rows. We move on to the 3rd row. We slip the first stitch. This is our edge stitch. Next, we knit 2 knit stitches. Yarn over, then we decrease. We slip the first stitch. The second one is knitted as a knit stitch. We place the cast-off stitch onto the knit stitch. After that, we knit 5 knit stitches. Next, from this side, we have a decrease again. 2 stitches together knitwise. I do it through the front loop. If you are using the grandmother's method, then go through the back loop. After this, a yarn over and 1 knit stitch. We knit the edge stitch purlwise using the grandmother's method. We move on to the 4th row. Here, we will also knit as in the 2nd row. That is, we knit all purl stitches and yarn overs through the front loop, so that we create holes. I will not show the purl rows anymore, because they are knitted the same way. 5th row, we slip the edge stitch. Next, we knit 3 knit stitches. After this, we make a yarn over. Then we have a decrease. We slip the 1st stitch. The 2nd we knit knitwise. We place the slipped stitch onto the knit stitch. After this, we knit 3 knit stitches. Now we have a decrease from this side. 2 stitches together knitwise. Then a yarn over and 2 knit stitches. The last stitch we knit, as always purlwise using the grandmother's method. The 6th row consists of purl stitches. In the 7th row, we slip the edge stitch. Next, we knit 1 knit stitch. After this we make a yarn over. We slip the next stitch. Then we knit the next stitch as a knit. We place the removed stitch onto the knitted knit. After that, we knit 7 knit stitches. Next we do a decrease. 2 stitches together knitwise. Yarn over. And our last stitch is a purl from the back. For the 8th row we knit purls. For the 9th row, we slip the edge stitch. Next we knit 2 knit stitches. After that, we make a yarn over. We slip the next stitch as a knit. We knit the next stitch as a knit. We place the slipped stitch onto the knitted knit. After that, we knit 5 knit stitches. Then 2 stitches together knitwise through the front loop. Yarn over and 1 knit stitch. The edge stitch we purl from the back. The 10th row we knit purls according to the pattern. We knit the 11th row. We slip the edge stitch. Next, we knit 1 knit stitch. After that, we do a decrease. But in this case we do the decrease, knitting 2 stitches together knitwise. We made the decrease. And after that, we make a yarn over. Next, we knit 7 knit stitches. We skipped, and after that, we make a yarn over. And this time we decrease since we decreased at the beginning. That is, we slip the first stitch. We knit the next stitch as a knit stitch. And we pass the slipped stitch over the knitted stitch. Next, the edge stitch is a purl stitch made in the traditional style. Next, the 12th row consists of purl stitches made in the traditional style. We will knit it using purl stitches. The 13th row is worked in an interesting way. This means we slip the first edge stitch onto the right needle. Next, we will have a double decrease. That is, we slip the first stitch as a knit stitch. I do it through the front loop. If you are knitting with traditional purl stitches, then we slip it through the back loop. Next, we knit the next 2 stitches together as a knit stitch. We have knitted it, and now we pull this slipped stitch through. we throw it over the 2 knitted stitches. This will result in a decrease for us. We have decreased 2 stitches right here. After this, we make a yarn over. Also in this row, ideally, there should be 1 extra yarn over. It will be at the end of the pattern repeat. After this, we knit 2 knit stitches. We have knitted it. Next, we knit 2 stitches together as a knit stitch through the front loop. We have knitted it. Next, we make a yarn over. 1 knit stitch. Next again, a yarn over. And 2 stitches together. But this time, we will slip the stitch in this way. We knit the next stitch as a knit stitch. And we pass the slipped stitch over the knitted stitch. After this, we knit 2 knit stitches. And here we make a yarn over at the end of the row. And the last one is the edge stitch. This is the purl stitch from the grandmother. This is how the 13th row is knitted. The 14th is a purl stitch. In purl rows, we do not forget the yarn overs. Knit in such a way that we create a hole. 14 rows are completed. Let's knit the 15th row. We slip the edge stitch. Next, we knit 3 stitches in the front. After that, we knit 2 stitches together in the front. Then we make a yarn over. We knit 3 front stitches. Again we make a yarn over. And we do a decrease, thus we slip 1 stitch. We knit the next one in the front. And we place the slipped stitch over the knitted front stitch. Next, we knit 2 front stitches. And the edge stitch is a purl from the grandmother. We knitted the 15th row, and now we knit 16 purl stitches. In the 17th row, we slip the edge stitch. Next, we knit 2 front stitches. After that, we knit 2 stitches together in the front, through the front wall. Next, we make a yarn over. After that, we knit 5 front stitches. Then again a yarn over. And a decrease. The first one is slipped. The second is knitted in the front. And we place the slipped stitch over the knitted front stitch. After this we knit 1 knit stitch. And the edge stitch as a purl stitch. 17 rows have been knitted. We knit 18 purl stitches. 19 rows, we slip the edge stitch. Next we knit 4 knit stitches. After this, we knit 2 stitches together knitwise through the front loop. Then a yarn over. 1 knit stitch. A yarn over again. And 2 stitches together. This time we slip 1 stitch. We knit the next one knitwise. And place the slipped stitch over the knitted one. Next we knit 3 knit stitches. And a purl stitch. 19 rows have been knitted. For 20, we knit purl stitches. We knit 21 rows. We slip the edge stitch. We knit 3 knit stitches. Next, 2 stitches together knitwise through the front loop. After this, we make a yarn over. We knit 3 knit stitches. A yarn over again. And again a decrease. We slip the first stitch. The next one knitwise. And place it over. We decreased, and after that, we knit 2 knit stitches. Grandma's purl. 21 rows have been knitted. 22. We knit as always with purl stitches. 23 row. We slip the first edge stitch. Then we knit 4 knit stitches. Next, we make a yarn over. We slip the next stitch. The next stitch we knit, and we pass the slipped stitch over the knitted one. After that, we knit 1 knit stitch. Then we decrease like this. 2 stitches together through the front loop. After that, we make a yarn over, and we knit 3 knit stitches. Then the edge stitch. This is Grandma's purl. 23rd row has been knitted. 24. We knit with purl stitches. 25 row. We slip the edge stitch, then we knit 1 knit stitch. After that, we make a yarn over. We slip the next stitch, the next knit one, and we pass the slipped stitch over the knitted one. After that, we knit 2 knit stitches. Next, a yarn over. After that, we knit a double decrease. We already knitted it in the 13th row. How do we do this? We slip the first one. The next 2 we knit together. And we pass the slipped stitch over these 2 knitted together. Thus, we have decreased 2 stitches. Before that, we made 1 yarn over. Now we are making a yarn over again. The number of stitches will be the same. Next, we knit 2 knit stitches. After that, 2 stitches together. Like this, through the front loop. Yarn over, and a purl stitch in the grandmother style. In the 26th row, we knit according to the pattern, with purl stitches. We have finished the 26th row. After that, we will repeat from the 3rd row to the 26th. Of course, we make sure that in each row we have the same number of stitches. That's all for now. Thank you for being with me. I hope you will keep this pattern and knit something interesting later. And I will say goodbye to you. See you soon in my next video.